Hello, this is a look at Ubuntu Budgie 17.4 Alpha 2. Let's have a look. This is the newest flavor of Ubuntu, and I've already looked at it once and it's really nice, but especially in the welcome part, the welcome screen, which we can look first, there's quite a lot of bugs. So it's still a work in process, but it is an Alpha 2 release. It's an alpha release, and it's a new flavor, so we can expect some bugs. But the potential, oh my goodness. I can see it become one of the main distros people will use easily. If you look at the welcome screen, what is Budgie, so objectives. It looks similar to the Ubuntu made welcome screen. It's a very good thing because Ubuntu made welcome screen is also one of the best, if not the best. There's more, you can read through all the stuff. It's based on the Budgie desktop environment. It's again based on GNOME, so things will look a bit familiar. So now you can go through all of these things, all these topics. If you click on it, one thing which if you click on this button, it will take you back to the main screen. If you want to go back to the other topics, you must click on this button here. Then you can go to drivers, language input, optional tasks, performance, customization. Let's have a look. Nice, eh? Settings. I love this menu notification screen on the left. System specifications. I'm running it in VirtualBox. This Ubuntu JC Zappers. Kernel 4.0.12.0.12 generic. I'm running it in VirtualBox with 2 GB of RAM, BIOS, i5, 64-bit, R32-bit. It's also, as I said, 2 GB of RAM. Yeah. So let's quickly look at anything else here. So you can go through all of this, read if there's anything that is interesting. If you see, go back to the main screen here. Recommendations. So Flatpak you can install on Budgie, which is very good. And as it is, there you go. And as it is based on Ubuntu, Snappy is already pre-installed, so you get and you can install Steam easily here. And Snap is already installed, so it gives you the option between Flatpak and Snap, which is actually very smart. You see all the options. I love it. Here's the software center. It's the GNOME software center. As it's based on Ubuntu, and you can see a bit of quite a lot of GNOME also in this operating system, as you will see a bit later. Now, when I looked at it before, I did the same thing. It's very slow to open up the GNOME software center. It does work after a while, so we can come back to this if it will allow us to. Let's go back to the Budgie screen. Default settings. Reset Budgie panel so you can change it. Now you can switch the appearance. I tried twice already, 3 times already to install the material theme. It doesn't work yet. The arts theme is beautiful, and it's already pre-installed, but this one, not yet. Maybe just my hardware, I don't know, but it doesn't work for me yet. So you can have a look on your system and please let me know. Chat room, Johnson Chitter. Let's wait. Let's also let's so it opens up in Chrome. Yeah. Chromium. First you on free. And it's like this. Off screen, full screen, minimize, maximize. Pretty straightforward stuff. Twitter, community. I love it, it's integrated most of the time, so you can join it. Go and check out the social sites, community and page. Let's open up all of these things and we check out. Yeah, let's visit Facebook. Facebook also is Reddit, chatroom, GitHub. Twitter, you can go for all of them, check it out. Ubuntu Budgie Brazil, Ubuntu Budgie Brazil, or Facebook and Telegram. You can join the communities there. Quite cool. Get involved, or you can get involved, support, spread the word, join the community, helping others, bug reports, new ideas, artwork, code. If you want to help this great operating system, please do. There's so much potential if you want to support. Put your money where your mouth is. Here are very simple ways. Let's say if you don't want to see it on startup, I love it. It's not forced on somebody's throat. But it's a very good thing. Budgie Desktop 10.2.9.2.1. And you can also go to all the social pages, the same as in the community. Yeah, very simple, straightforward. As I said, the themes doesn't work so well yet, and this sort of thing. It starts up slowly, but otherwise very clean and easy to understand. And let's close this. Let's use your terminal. Files. As you can see, it looks a lot like Unity GNOME. It is files 3.20 free. Thank you guys for making it. Go to home, this one will also work. Pretty normal stuff. And let's have a look at the software center now. And here it works. Here it's working now. Normal GNOME software center. Updates. Let's install this. And rhythm box for your music is the default one. I like the theme. LibreOffice and LibreOffice Excel. your word editor. As you can see, is as expected level was 5. It's not. Yes. Let's see if I can open. Okay, so I can't open 2 at one time. I like to try things out. What happened there? Alright. It's level of is 5.2.2.2. Quite up to date. Related. Excel. PowerPoint. No, not PowerPoint. Calculator. Yeah, that's the word. And yes, your Chromium browser. We showed before. And if you want to add some of these things and add other ones, it's very simple to do. And now I'm gonna show you some. This launcher is gonna be absolutely awesome. It's also blank, which is familiar, but the options, oh my goodness. You can make this look like it's the best launcher in the world, according to me. Translations, you can have to translate. It's just difficult to click on them. Preferences. This is the big one for me. Again, the default. It's okay. GTK. Mate. And transparent. Left, right, top, bottom, fill, not much, start, end, center. Let's put it like end and make it nice and bigger. Or even at start. I can see many people will enjoy this layout, and if you can zoom, just awesome for me. I like it. I like it very much. You can change, you can do whatever you want to do. It's a playing ground for you to customize your desktop as you want. Ubuntu. It's a new folder. Select all. Organize. As we got only one file. Needed. As you can see, this looks just like GNOME. Got some nice pictures here. The normal ones also, but the top ones is. Let's look at this beautiful thing. And to lock. Let's make this one. Here you can also choose your own pixels, but as you know, GNOME, it's probably not needed for me to tell if you ever saw GNOME, but it's a very simple, nice operating system. This is your applets, calendar. It also looks a bit like your Deepen desktop, which is not a bad thing. Deepen is also correct, and look at all of this settings. I didn't even know about it. Wow, you can change things, you can widget firmware. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Then yes, things for you to play around with like crazy. I like it. Okay, let's go to the settings. As you can see, this is GNOME. Straight background, so we're just looking at notifications. You can manually configure your notifications, then on and off, what you want to see, what you want to get notifications of. Online accounts, if you want to add your Gmail account or OwnCloud or Facebook, straightforward stuff. For Linux, you can have a look at it. If you needed privacy, yeah, you can change the privacy settings. If you are multi-language or want a different language system language, you can change that. Look for more languages, same here. If you want to type in different languages, as I got Russian and English here, you can add any language you want, like German or whatever. For keyboard search, you can change the search settings. Straightforward, familiar stuff, which is never a bad thing. Bluetooth, I don't have Bluetooth on this notebook which I'm using, so it's no use checking it out, but as you can see, color, you can check your color for the view details if you ever need these settings. As normal, it's straight there to look at. Display, if you have a projector or anything, you can check here. Keyboard settings if you want to modify shortcuts and things like that, or even add shortcuts. Mouse and touchpad, if you want your right button to the main one, and left one you can do it. By just a click of the mouse speed, texture settings, if something is wrong. Should be fine, but you can just check if something is wrong. Network, you can configure your network here and there. You can add like a static IP address or add other profiles, whatever you need. Power, you can check your power settings. I like always to have at least 15 minutes, if not more, before my computer tends into sleep. If you have any printers you want to connect, I love how Linux add printers. I know I said it before in one of my other videos, but it's so straightforward. You can just click if your network printers, and it's this Budgie is amazing. 17.4, I'm not sure if it's all of them or just this Budgie Ubuntu. You just click and it's installed. You don't have to look for drivers, you don't have to go through a wizard. You did it all for yourself. It's absolutely how it should be on all operating systems. Sound. You can change sound settings if you've got a mic or speakers or something like that, and you want to work with it, you can check it there. If you have a vacuum tablet or other tablet like that, it's where you can edit date and time. If you have internet, you want to set it automatically, why not? As I'm based in the Rust, this way you set the Rust and time. You can set your default applications, straightforward stuff. Every time you add a CD, what should happen? If you have other media, you go for it, Windows software or anything like that. All these options, I love Linux. It's not just Budgie, all the options, but it's many Ubuntu systems, at least. You can change your computer name, universal access. bit slow, but working. And users. You can add users like normally on log. But you have to be an admin user. Now you can add the user. Follow your heart, enjoy it. So now we finish with the settings. Here's your calendar. I wonder if I can see it is calendar 3.22. Nice. So if you have like a Google Calendar, it will automatically sync with it. You can go for your apps, installed ones. Straightforward, easy to understand. And let's check at the system monitor for the last thing. We'll look just to see how much memory use. As you can see, it takes just more than a gigabyte of RAM when it's idling. It's quite a lot, but it's okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And give it a go. Goodbye.